Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Math. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to multiply big numbers easily in your head in less time. So let's start with our first example. For this example, I'll be using the numbers 39 and 31. And for the first step, I'm going to start with the first digit in our first number, which is 3. Then, I'm going to find the number that comes after 3 in counting. So after 3 comes 4. Next, I'm going to multiply 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. And that's the first part of our answer. I'm going to write 12 right next to the equal sign. Then, to find the second part, I'm going to take the second digit in our first number, which is 9, and the second digit in the second number, which is 1, and multiply them together. So 9 times 1 equals 9. And also, for the second part, when you get a single digit number, make sure to add a 0 next to it. So since I got 9, I'm going to write 09. That's our answer to this question. It's 1209. Now let's move on to example 2. For this, I'll be using a little bigger numbers like 57 times 53. Now the same trick will apply to this numbers too. The first step is to take the first digit in the first number, which in this case is 5, and find the number that comes after it. So after 5 comes 6. So I'm going to multiply 5 times our 6, which is 30. And that's our first part of the answer, 30. Then to find the second part, I'm going to take the digit in the ones place, which is 7, and the digit in the ones place for the second number, which is 3, and multiply them together. So 7 times 3 gives us 21, and 21 will go right next to our 30. So our final answer is going to be 3021. Now let's just work on one more example together. For this, I'll be using the numbers 113 and 117. So if you notice, this time the numbers are 3-digit. The trick I will be using is the same, except I will take the first 2 digits of the number. So for 113, I'll take 11 and find the number that comes after it. So after 11 comes 12. So I'm going to multiply 12 times 11, which equals 132. Also guys, I've posted a video on how to multiply numbers with 11, so make sure to check that out, and I will put that link in the description below. And that's a very helpful trick. The first part of our answer, which is 132. So I'm going to write that next to the equal sign, 132. And then, for our second step, I will take the third digit that's in the ones place, and 7, which is also in the ones place. So 3 times 7 equals 21. Then I'll take the answer to the second part and put it next to our first part. Now we have got our final answer, which is 13,221. And that's it. Now before we move on to our examples, I would like to show you a pattern that can be found in our questions. So the questions that we worked on were 39 times 31, 57 times 53, and 117 times 113. Now if you look at the tens digit of each number, in this case 3, 3, 5, 5, 1, 1. The tens digit of all our numbers is the same, or the hundreds digit for our last example. So that's one condition for this trick to work. All the digits in the tens place need to be the same. And the second condition is that if you look at the ones digit, in the first question, it's 9 and 1. So if I add 9 plus 1, I get 10. Then if I look at the second problem and look at the ones digit, here it's 7 and 3. So if I add them together, I also get 10. And for the last question, I have 7 in the ones digit and 3 in the ones digit. So again, if I add 7 plus 3, I will get 10. So guys, these are the two conditions that the trick will work in. So now let's take a look at some few practice problems. The first one is going to be 26 times 24, and the second one is going to be 38 times 32. Now I want you guys to solve these problems on a separate piece of paper and write these answers in the comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.